Okay, this time we are going to reduce a little bit bigger numbers. Now we have 80 over 100. 80 and 100 are divisible by 20. 80 divided by 20 is equal 4. 100 divided by 20 is 5. Now, but if some of you are not seeing 20 at the very first moment, okay, you can do the simplification step by step. Okay, let me write this problem one more time. I have 80 over 100. Anytime number ends with 0 means this number is for sure divisible by 10. So that's why I'm going to divide the top number by 10 and the bottom one by 10. 80 divided by 10 is equal 8. 100 divided by 10 is 10. Okay? We have even numbers. Okay? Even numbers are divisible for sure by 2. Okay? So I have 8 divided by 2 is 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. I got the answer 4 over 5. As you can see, this is the same answer which I got at the beginning. Now let's take a look at another example. 20 and 88 are divisible by 4. 20 divided by 4 is equal 5. 88 divided by 4 is 22. Okay? Now, again, if you are not seeing that, let me write this problem one more time. So I have 20 over 88. 20 and 88 are even numbers. Even numbers are always divisible by 2. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 88 divided by 2 is 44. Again, we are dealing with the even numbers. I have 10 and 44. Even numbers are always divisible by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 44 divided by 2 is 22. Now, I have 5 over 22. And at this moment, I'm not seeing any common factor which would reduce this fraction. So this is the answer for my problem. As you can see, this is exactly the same thing which I get at the beginning. Let's check another example. I have 30 over 25. Anytime you have numbers ended with 0 and 5, they always divisible by 5. 30 divided by 5 is equal 6. 25 divided by 5 is 5. This is the example of the improper fraction. Improper fraction, most of the time we convert to the mixed number. Simply divide 6 by 5. How many times 5 goes into 6? 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Subtract 6 minus 5 is 1. The answer is 1 and 1/5, where the top number goes to the front, remainder goes to the numerator, and divisor goes to the denominator. That's why my answer is 1 and 1/5.